And now, the best among the best, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rolando L. Velasco, Adrian Rolane D. Velasco. Adrian is the Category 4 S1, the Mabuhay Performing Arts Vice President, the Desert Echoes Managing Editor, and the Student Council Vice President. She was awarded with the CADTI Honor Medal, the Loyalty Medal, and the Honor Star Medal. Adrian is also the first runner-up in the Battle of the Brain in the Awkward competition. She passed the USD entrance test and the UP College admission test. And she is a recipient of the following awards: Loyalty Award Special Gold Medal, AJISD Leadership Award, Ramon E. Sigis Leadership Award or RESLA, OFW Congress Academic Excellence Award, Academic Contest First Place in English, First Place in Math, First Place in Science, First Place in Filipino, which makes her the overall champion. Best in Conduct, Best in Arabic, Best in Makabayan, Best in Science, Best in Math, Best in English, Best in Filipino, and our class valedictorian. For the rest now, for the Ramon E. Segis, Rafael E. Segis Leadership Award or RESCA, may we request Mr. Ricardo T. Gloria, President of the United Surigao Non-Association, to present the award. Mr. Gloria and Mrs. Manala. And for the OFW Congress Academic Excellence Award, may we request again the presence of Mr. J.P. Vega, President of the OFW 6th Congress, together with the OFW Congress Advisor, Mrs. Jane Tupas, and the Vice President of the OFW Congress, Mr. Andrew Nathaniel, to present the award. Mrs. Catalos, please.